Just outside of West Branch is where you'll find this charming multi-level home with recent updates that create a homey ambience. This versatile property has over 1,600 square feet of living area with distinct, but open, living spaces. The main level has a large, bright living room, dining area and kitchen with plenty of cabinetry. In the lower level you'll find a spacious family room, laundry room and half bath. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and a full bath with recent updates. There is updated flooring and paint throughout the home. The large country lot has lots of lawn and a private drive that accesses the garage from the rear of the home. Affordable homes don't have to be boring. This is a great place for your next home. Immediate occupancy available at closing.